All right, welcome back. So this one is very similar to number 3. So let's go ahead and read it. A tower that is 125 feet tall casts a shadow 172 feet long. Find the angle of elevation of the sun to the nearest degree. So let's go ahead and do that. So again, we have a nice drawing that'll help us figure this out. So we can see we don't have the angle of elevation, which that is what we are asked to find. We have the shadow. Why do things cast shadows and people want us to figure out stuff? I don't know. But the shadow is 172 feet long and the tower is 125 feet. So let's go ahead and figure this out. Again, we have a right triangle, which tells us that we are going to use one of our trig ratios. So again, looking at our hypotenuse, it doesn't really have a lot of information. So our sine and our cosine will be of no use to us. So again, by elimination, we're left with tangent. So let's go ahead and write out our tangent ratio so we can see what we have to work with. I forgot how to write opposite. Okay, so we don't have theta. We know our opposite will be 125, so this side 125, and our adjacent will be the shadow, which is 172. So let's go ahead and fill in those values into our ratio. So we have tangent of theta because that's what we want to figure out. 125 is the length of our tower and 172 is the shadow. So now we're solving for theta. So remember, we're going to use this tangent function, the inverse tangent function. So if we put that into our calculator, again, making sure that it's in degree mode, we are going to get 36.0076. And the question wanted it to the nearest degree, so we're going to leave it at 36 degrees. So our theta is 36 degrees, and that is the angle of elevation.